Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Baseus Encok W04 with iPhone device. So in order to do that, first make sure that no other device is connected with these headphones, and the next step is to scroll down our toolbar on our iPhone and then hold our finger onto the Bluetooth like that. And here you'll be able to see the Bluetooth settings. Simply enter them. You'll see devices and your iPhone will now scan for them. So we'll need to enter the pairing mode on our headphones. Simply open the lid. You can take one headphone out. Now let's wait till all devices are found. Here we can see our Baseus Encok W04 headset. Simply click on it. You'll enter the pairing mode on our phone, and after a bit of waiting, our device will be connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.